Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can check a credit score in RBC Bank mobile app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. First thing first, go to your Apple Store or Play Store respectively and simply install the RBC mobile banking app. Upon doing that, open it up and then simply sign in. As soon as you have signed in the main home page, you shall see the option of services. Go ahead, tap on the services and scroll down to the bottom where you will be able to check out your credit score and further information about your balance and credit score as well. Now you can browse through it perfectly, or you can also go to other settings as well and can enjoy the services of RBC mobile banking app likewise. So that is basically it. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. We will get back to you soon regarding the solution. We will get back to you soon, and that is basically it. To check credit score, all you gotta do is sign up, go to services, and you will be able to check out the credit score likewise. So I hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.